How to use Claude with Gmail and Google Calendar in this video. I'm going to teach you how to connect Claude to Gmail and Google Calendar so you can manage your email and schedule directly from your Claude conversations. This is one of the most practical ways to turn Claude into your personal productivity assistant. If you're tired of switching between Claude and your email and calendar apps, or if you want to manage your schedule entirely through natural conversation, this tutorial shows you exactly how to set it up. By the end, Claude will be able to search your emails, draft responses, create calendar events, find available meeting times, and even RSVP to invitations. Let's get started. First, open Claude on either the web at Claude AI or in the Claude desktop app. Look for the Settings button. On the web version, this is typically in the bottom left corner. On Claude desktop, click the Claude menu at the top and select Settings. Once you're in Settings, look for the Connectors option in the left sidebar. Click on Connectors. In the Connectors section, you'll see a list of available integrations. Look for the Google Workspace connectors. You'll see three options: Gmail, Google Calendar, and Google Drive. We're focusing on Gmail and Google Calendar today. Click on Google Calendar first to start the connection process. When you click on Google Calendar, a button labeled Connect will appear. Click it. You'll be directed to Google's Sign In page. Log in with the Google account that contains your calendar. After you sign in, Google will ask you to grant Claude permission to access your calendar. Review the requested permissions and click Allow or Approve. Google will confirm the connection is successful. Return to Claude, and you'll see that Google Calendar is now connected. Go back to the Connectors section and find Gmail in the list. Click the Gmail connector. Click Connect. Sign in with your Google account if you're not already signed in. Grant Claude permission to access your Gmail. Important, Claude cannot send emails automatically. Claude can read your emails, search your mailbox, and draft new emails, but you will always need to click Send yourself. This is a safety feature to prevent unwanted emails from being sent. Once both connectors are active, you now have powerful capabilities. With Google Calendar, Claude can create new events, modify existing events, delete events, find times when you're available, RSVP to meeting invitations, set up recurring meetings, and add Google Meet links to events. With Gmail, Claude can search through all your emails using natural language, read email content and attachments, draft new emails with proper formatting, organize emails with labels, and manage email threads. But remember, Claude cannot send emails. You handle the final send step. Now that you're connected, start a new conversation with Claude. Simply ask Claude something that requires email or calendar access. For example, you could say, "Find all emails from my boss this month," or "Show me what I have scheduled for Thursday," or "Create a meeting with the marketing team next Tuesday at 2 p.m. Claude will automatically detect that it needs to use your Gmail or calendar connector, ask for your permission to access that information, and then perform the action. Each time Claude accesses your email or calendar, you'll see a notification asking you to approve the action. This ensures Claude is only accessing what you want it to access. Set up Claude with contextual instructions about your preferences. For example, in your Claude settings, you can add custom instructions like, "My work email is my Gmail account. My boss is Jane at company email. I prefer morning meetings. I attend at least 5 meetings a week." These instructions help Claude understand your context and make better calendar suggestions without you having to repeat this information every time. Claude connectors only work inside conversations you start. There is no automatic background processing. Claude cannot send emails automatically. You always click Send. Claude cannot create calendar invitations that automatically notify attendees. It creates the event on your calendar, but you handle the invitations. For team and enterprise organizations, an administrator must enable these connectors at the organization level before individual team members can use them. Claude only accesses your Gmail and calendar data when you explicitly ask for it in a conversation. Claude does not train its models on your email or calendar data. Your data is protected by Anthropic's security infrastructure. You can delete any retrieved data by deleting the chat containing that data. Google still controls your Google account. You're simply giving Claude permission to access it in the same way you would a third-party app. You now know how to connect Claude to Gmail and Google Calendar in just a few minutes. You understand what Claude can and cannot do with each connector. You can now manage your entire email and calendar workflow through conversations with Claude. You know that each action requires your explicit approval, ensuring privacy and security. If this tutorial helped you connect Claude to your productivity tools, please like this video and subscribe for more AI productivity guides. Comment below and tell me which Claude connector feature you're most excited to try first. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new AI-powered productivity system.